Hey guys, today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. And on the screen is just a brief summary of the notes that you should have already seen in the Google Doc that I made for you called Multiplying and Dividing Integers. So I'm going to briefly go over the rules and then we're going to do some examples together. So when you have one negative sign, the answer is going to be negative. Another aspect of that rule is odd numbers of negative signs always equal a negative answer. So if you have one negative sign, negative answer. If you have three negative signs, negative answer. Any number that's odd, it's a negative answer. Rule number 2 is that two negative signs equal a positive answer. So another rule under that one is if you have an even number of negative signs, it's always going to be a positive answer. Two negative signs, positive answer. Four negative signs, positive answer. So let's do some examples. Say I have -5 times 4. I have one negative sign, so I know my answer is going to be negative. And then I just multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Let's try another one. Say we have 3 times -8. Again, I see one negative sign, so I know my answer is going to be negative, and 3 times 8 is 24. That's it. Now, suppose I have -7 times -8. I see two negative signs. That means my answer is going to be positive. Now, if you would like to write a positive sign down so you don't forget or get confused, you should do that. That's okay. It's not going to be marked wrong if there's a positive sign there. And then I just multiply. 7 times 8 is 56. And let's do one more of these. What if I have -9 times -4? Again, two negative signs mean I'm going to have a positive answer, and 9 times 4 is 36. So that's multiplying with integers. Let's do some dividing. Let's say I have -16 divided by 2. And remember, a fraction means to divide. So you might see the division problems written like a fraction. So I see one negative sign, so my answer is going to be negative. I hope that's what you said. And then I just divide. 16 divided by 2 is 8. What if I have 15 divided by -3? I see one negative sign, negative answer, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, let's keep going. What if I have two negative signs? I might have -24 divided by -3. Okay, two negative signs mean a positive answer this time. Again, I'm going to write that little plus so I don't forget. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And let's do one more of these division problems. Let's say we have -49 divided by -7. Two negative signs mean I'm going to have a positive answer, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. All right, I want to show you one more thing because sometimes when we are multiplying integers, we have more than just two numbers. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, and then our secondary rules are going to come into play. Odd number of negative signs, odd, it's going to be a negative answer. An even number of negative signs is going to be a positive answer. So I might have -3 times 4 times -2. I'm just going to use order of operations, which says I solve a problem from left to right, and I'm going to multiply starting with the first two digits. Negative 3 times 4. One negative means negative answer. 3 times 4 is 12. Then I'm going to bring down that negative 2, so I can complete the problem, because this is only, negative 12 is only part of the problem. So now I'm going to do negative 12 times negative 2. Two negatives, positive answer. 12 times 2 is 24. So negative 3 times 4 times negative 2 is 24. And I hope you watch this video more than once if you need it, and I hope you email me if you have any questions. See you next time.